Good morning, this is Joanne in Colorado. It was really brisk, cold this morning, and really cold yesterday. I got lots of birds, bird photos. The bald eagles have migrated down here for the winter. I have a sunny spot on my back patio where the sun shines on my chair and it backs up to the house. So I have a nice sunny spot to watch the birds from. I put out some peanuts for the blue jays, some food for the other little birdies. The bird bath over there is keeping busy. I got a lot of photos of birds sitting over there on it. And this morning I went, at sunrise, over to the lake. It's called McIntosh Lake in Longmont. But it's, I don't know, maybe 6 blocks from here. As the crow flies, maybe less, but there's always lots of birds and stuff over there as long as the water's not froze. I'm gonna get back over here to my blue jays. The feeder my son made me. It was his 3D printer. He designed it. There's peanuts in this feeder and in that one. And then right here, some little birdies feeding in these little dishes up under the eave, and a nice sunny spot for them too. I haven't gotten a lot of pine boughs, but I did get some branches for my flower pots around here. Make it feel a little safer for the birds. Give them a little more to perch on. This tree, the little birds, they all hang out in the upper branches until the blue jays are done. And then they hop down there and get some food. Because there's a lot of sunflower chips and like little dried worms and fruits, nuts and berries. All for the other little birdies, for chickadees, songbirds. Blue jays, they flying high. Then they drop down to the feeders. Weigh their peanuts, grab the biggest ones. 2 if they can fit them in. And then they take off. Some of them grab their peanuts so fast they don't even slow down. These little birdies. Where'd he go? Oh, I'm chasing him from branch to branch. He was up on this cool looking branch. But he was in the little pine boughs before that. He wants some water to drink. I was trying to hold still a minute just so that they'd come back, but anyways, I just wanted you to know that I'm thinking of you. And my son went over to photograph the eagles. They seem to be wintering here. I don't know if they just go through for a while, but right now it's not only when they migrate, but they also nest, and it's mating season. And they have their little babies by Father's Day. Their little eaglets or fledglings are ready to take off on Father's Day. And I think they're hatched out by Mother's Day. Just watching my little blue jays there. This is so funny. Some of these blue jays, man, they weigh every painted in the feeder. Gotta make sure they get the heaviest, best one. And some of them just go up in the tree there and eat them. Some of them fly off and eat them. And then they come back for another. And another. Anyways, I have been taking people to the airport and bringing them home from the airport and gone a lot of hours. And today, I was gone early this morning, having helped my husband a whole lot on the job search the last few days. But we had a nice Christmas, and he really needs a job. But our anniversary, 46 years married, is tomorrow. I'll post a picture of us back when we first got married. Boy, the years. I don't know. Some people say the years have been kind to them, and I know the good Lord's been kind to us our whole life. We're still alive, and we have had so many things, done so many things that we just never thought would hurt us. But we are still alive and well, and Oh man, I've been trying to get myself back to exercising every day, and chasing birds with cameras is one good way not to think about how many miles I'm putting on my feet, but I'm feeling it today. I've had a few days where I walked constantly for 5 to 6 hours, and we got a lot of bird photos. So I'm gonna take this video in. I'll post it. Um, the little birdies seem to be gone for the moment. The squirrel's looking for some food it can get into. I'm gonna go see if my husband still remembers me. He doesn't want to go out there when it's 13 degrees and walk for 5 hours. Can't quite do that. But we'll see what else we can do. Maybe we can get a walk in somewhere else. But in the meantime, you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year if you don't hear from me before then. And thank you for every one of you that have subscribed to our channel. Doesn't pay yet, but it's adding up. In the meantime, I just am encouraged to know that there's some people that like to see birds and backyard little critters. I've got a feeder and 2 bird baths. This one's kind of frozen today. I don't have a heater in it. I wait till it thaws around the edges, dump it out and put some fresh water in. So I poured a little on top, hopefully to melt the edges, and they love to come take their baths in that too. So we'll see how melted it is. In the meantime, I am gonna go make my husband some breakfast and see how his day's going. So have a great day. Be blessed and a very happy New Year.